Sa, how to remember sa. Look at these two fish that are hanging on a skewer. The small one is a sardine, and the bigger one is a salmon. You can tell that by the size difference. You can also remember this is sa because fish are called sakana in Japanese. Sakana, 3 strokes. 1, 2, and 3. Then we have shi. This kana looks like a smiley face, but something is wrong with it. Both eyes are sideways and stacked on top of each other, like some deep sea fish. She has a very weird face. So I said that usually kanas are written from left to right and top to bottom. So here we have left to right, 1, 2, but the last one is from bottom to top. So this is a bit of an exception. And there is another one that's very similar to this one. We'll get there, but just to keep in mind. Su, what's that up there? It's Superman walking in the sky. Wait, upon closer inspection, it's just his disembodied supersuit. Where the heck did he go naked? 2 strokes. 1, 2. Su. Se. It looks really similar to the hiragana se, so you should be able to use that to remember this kana. Se. It's only 2 strokes. 1, 2. So. It is 1 needle and a long thread, which you use to sew. Remember, needles are always vertical, like this needle, because you need to stab it through something straight down. This will help you to differentiate this one and the very similar the katakana for So, 2 strokes. 1, 2. Let's practice reading. Size. Size is the size. Shia. Shia is sheer. Suis. Suis is Swiss. That one is good. Sexy. Sekushi. Sexy is sexy. Soy. Soy is soy. More exercises if you want to practice by yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた。